So we have to find it out. What we have to find out the material mix variance. Will be equal to what? Revised quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. Now we have to find it out for this all the product X, Y, and Z. What is the revised quantity which we got? 55. Actual quantity was how much? 60. Into standard price. Standard price is 2 rupees. This will be 5 adverse to 2. 10 adverse. Same way find it out for the Y. Revised quantity which we got is 33. कितना है? See here 40. The standard price is this will be equal to -7. They find it out for Z. Revised is 22 minus actual is 10 and standard price is 4. Into 4. Positive, so I'm not writing down in the bracket. 12 into 4 is 48 favorable. And the last variance. Material ill variance. What is the formula? Revised quantity minus standard quantity into standard price. Same way, need to calculate for all these three. Revised quantity, we have already found it out. It's 55. Standard quantity is 50. To standard price. Standard price is 2. 5. Why adverse? Because over here revised quantity is higher than the standard quantity. हम इसको यहाँ पर जो revised quantity है उसको हम in normal sense actual मान के चलते हैं. तो जब भी हमारा actual quantity higher होता है standard से तो obviously कैसा होगा ये adverse होगा. Same way do it for the next 33 minus 40. Also you can put it up the bracket so that आपको easily idea आ जाएगा कि yes, this we have, this is same rate. This is how much? 7 multiply by 3. 21 adverse. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I forgot it. We have to take the standard, that is 30 will come over here. So 3 into 3, 9 adverse. Next revised quantity for the Z is 22. And the standard quantity is 20. Standard price is 4. So 8 adverse. So even we can do this because material mix variance and material yield variance is the portion of material usage variance. So you can find it out, you can do the verification and see as well. So let's do the verification. Material usage variance is equal to material mix variance plus material yield variance. Usage variance यहाँ पर देखो कितना आया था, 10 adverse. This will be equal to, इसका total करो, 10 plus 21, so it is 31. 31 minus 48, 17 adverse. Oh, 17 favorable, sorry. Plus material yield variance, 10 plus 9 plus 8. So this is 27 adverse. So see, 27 adverse plus 17 favorable will give you how much? 10 adverse. So it means this is also the correct. So this is how you can even do the verification for material usage variance. Thus, material, this mix variance and the material yield variance.